Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to turn pet photos into art with Galaxy Z Fold 7 AI Portrait Studio. Let's begin. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a pet on my own, but I did download a very famous PopCat meme. So let's try to actually do that, and let's try to remake it into art using nice AI functions that are built in onto this device. In order to access them, we want to click that little stars icon, and if we scroll to the right, we should see a portrait mode or portrait mode. But as you can see, the little AI actually does not recognize the PopCat with its mouth open as a pet. So that's pretty funny. So instead, let's use another image of the PopCat. And as you can see now, we do have our portrait studio. So here we have few different options. Unfortunately, there are only 4 of them. First we have studio, then we have 3D cartoon, then we have fisheye lens, and finally we have oil painting. So let's get through all these options. Okay, let's start with studio. Let's hit generate and let's wait and see what will happen. And beautiful, what a beautiful little fella. As you can see, we can even generate more. So for example, we can generate another version of our little PopCat with the studio option. So I guess this is kind of like randomized fancy generator, which is pretty funny. I didn't really recognize PopCat here, mostly because AI usually does only like photos of normal cats, while PopCat has a very specific face, let's be honest. But okay, let's ignore that. Though as you can see, we have the ability to showcase original, and I guess you could see similarities if you squeeze your eyes. But anyway, let's just ignore that and let's go to 3D cartoon. As you can see, we can't really change the recognition, so basically for the AI, the second part of the cat doesn't exist, which is pretty sad. Let's try to generate a cartoon version of our PopCat. We are now applying enhanced artistry, and this looks very bad. Though to be honest, it did try to recreate its face with like this little smile, which is pretty cool, I guess. We can try to generate one more. So let's generate another one from the cartoon filter, and let's see how this will look. Okay, it also tried to recreate a little smudge, and it actually works better because this cat has better proportions, whatever this is. We can try to do it one last time, since I guess many people will actually play around with that cartoon mode. Though note that even though you have this cool built-in function, you can always just go to like ChatGPT or whatever and he will do the same thing, probably with better results. Yeah, the second one is probably the best result. It's not a fan of this, but whatever. Anyway, let's leave behind the 3D cartoon for now and let's head into fisheye lens and let's see how this will look. We'll have to wait for a moment, and after enhanced artistry we have the fisheye, which looks odd, to be fair. I'm not exactly a fan of this cat. Let's try to generate one more PopCat via the fisheye lenses. Though it did look odd. I mean, I guess that's the appeal. Okay, this is interesting. None of this actually looks real. The shading looks off. Well, let's just ignore that and let's go to the final oil painting. I really expect a lot from that last filter. Let's ignore the notification and let's see what will happen. Okay, a pretty basic cat. I wish only it was like flipped vertically, which technically we could do by, downloading it and flipping it vertically. Though I will generate once more, since I really want to see a little pop cat's smudge, a little smile he has. Unfortunately, the oil paintings are too weak to handle the powerful smile of the, cuteness merged into a single being. Yeah, unfortunately, I do see that they only generate a typical cat with just its colors, with just its fur. So that's kind of disappointment. Yeah. I guess it tried to mimic the Renaissance painters, whatever. This looks probably the closest one to the smudge. So technically we could go with going into gallery. Oh, we are in the gallery. Yeah, let's leave the portrait studio. And we could potentially edit it and flip it horizontally. So we can now save it. And I guess this is probably the best result you will have. But hey, if you ever feel bored, you can always do a funny thing and you can transform your pet into a nice cartoon or oil painting or whatever you please. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.